Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell notification button so that you can get a notification right after I upload any video.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Nutrifresh. So in today's video I'm going to make lotus pudding cake. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to make this sugar syrup mixture. For that you need half a cup of water and 3/4 cup of sugar. Stir it on low flame until the sugar melts completely and changes its color into light brown. I was actually busy in the past few days, so that's why I wasn't making much content, but now I promise to make a lot of content to compensate the days I've not been working on. Then I'm going to take half a cup of condensed milk and pour half of the mixture, half of the sugar syrup mixture inside it. And then in the remaining half mixture, I'm going to add in about a cup of milk. Stir it continuously until it cools down, or else you will end up with lumps. Then I'm going to crush my Lotus biscuits, about 15 of them. You can crush them in any way, but I used a Ziploc bag and crushed it. Then I'm going to take in 1.5 cup of whipping cream and then beat it until it creates stiff peaks. Once your stiff peaks form, I'm going to add in condensed milk mixture and then the crushed biscuits. Then mix them inside the whipping cream. Now in a separate casserole dish, I'm going to place in my Lotus biscuits, but after dipping them inside the milk mixture. And now you're going to pour the whipping cream above the biscuits. This recipe is super quick to make and it's super delicious too. Then you're going to melt some Lotus biscuit spread, about 3 tablespoons of them. Pour it inside a Ziploc bag, piping bag. And now you're just going to keep in mind that you're cutting slices, but just by tracing them. So you're just going to make lines from one side to another side. And then you're going to create spirals by using a skewer or anything you have. Now I'm going to place my crushed Lotus biscuits, of course, because they're super delicious. Now all you gotta do is enjoy this delicious goodness. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, follow all my socials. The written recipe is on my website, and obviously don't forget to share your feedback.